Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a quick alignment video. I got this 2005 Ford F-150 and they brought it in for alignment, and it's wearing the tires off in the inside. What's happening as the time goes by, and this 2005, the mileage goes up, the springs start sagging down on the vehicle and making, since it's a twin I-beam suspension, the springs will sag down, so the tires will start coming in. There's a twin I-beam system, so the spring will keep them. If you put new springs, it'll come back to nominal, I think. But there's a solution for that. I went and got me the Camber Caster Cams, 23188 specialty products, 2-degree cams, because the alignment numbers are minus 1.7, and right now it's got the centric cams 0 degrees. So we're gonna take off the tires and show you how to replace those things, and then we'll do the final adjustment, and that'll conclude the quick video. All right, stick around.
Okay, 1.7 degrees negative camber in both tires, and minus 1 1/8 of an inch towed out will cause this terrible wear on these tires. Okay, so all the alignment numbers look okay there, but I have to straighten out the steering wheel, which is crooked, and to do that I had to loosen up the toe sleeves to center uh, the toe again, but with the steering wheel straight. So on this vehicle, it's kind of hard to move those sleeves. There's a tool for that, but I have more trouble with the tool than with the pliers sometimes. So it's just a matter of fighting with it for a little bit. And in this case, well, they turn okay. It's a little stiff, but I can still do it. I don't like this part of the adjustment anyway. These vehicles have this bracket for some reason. It goes on the back of the thing. I put it backwards, but then I had to correct it. I fail to understand what the engineering purpose of this little sheet metal bracket there. What does it serve? But probably it does have a function, but just can't figure out what the function of that thing is. And another thing, the sway bar or stabilizer bar is just put in the wrong place there. So it's so hard to adjust the toe because that bar is just in the way. But anyway, it's done, and hopefully it'll be good. And that's gonna complete the alignment there. Okay, so I think the numbers came out to be pretty close where I wanted them, 0 on camber, and very close to be good on caster and toe. So that's it.
Okay guys, so this is gonna conclude this quick alignment video of this F-150 that we changed the Camber Caster Cams on it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching.